Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the notes strip and selecting the MIDI track you'll edit. Do this now so you work in context. Once visible, set the grid quantize to 1/16 or 0. 5 depending on groove because timing choices affect all edits. Make sure your device input is armed and latency compensation is on, so what you hear matches what you change. Also confirm velocity view and snapping options. These small toggles determine whether your adjustments are precise or approximate as you proceed. Now you edit notes and shape phrases in the strip. Click drag to change pitch or length, and use modifier keys to lock vertical or horizontal movement for fine control. Once done, open velocity and CC lanes in the same strip and modify dynamics so the part breathes. This is why inline editing saves time. Make duplicates or split notes to craft rhythmic variation, and apply quantize selectively to tighten feel without killing swing. Remember to audition changes frequently to keep musical context. Finish by auditioning the full arrangement and exporting a bounce of the edited region so you can compare before and after. This confirms the strip edits translate to the mix. If notes sound off, check routing, wrong MIDI channel, global transpose, or an octave shift can mask correct editing, so inspect those first. Make sure plugin instruments aren't mapping incoming CCs unexpectedly. Finally, revert to a saved backup or use undo history if something breaks. That single troubleshooting step saves hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.